Just a very quick one today on Photoshop. Very annoying, and it caught me out. Took me a couple of days to figure it out. Very simple if you know what's going on. If you don't, then you're gonna suffer like me. So this is the scenario. Check it out. I have no idea why is it happening, but if it happens, then you will be able to solve it very easily. Now check this out. Opening up Photoshop. Sorry about that, the computer is a little bit slow. And then you will get the message here when it opens up. It's very nasty and very annoying, and I have no idea what is happening, but it's not happening all the time, but sometimes. Yeah, this is a bit of a boring bit. I apologize, but I just wanna make sure that you guys see it from the beginning to the end. Because if I start cutting videos, then it's not the true situation. Look, check this out. Display driver, respond, and so on and so forward. Now this is it, guys. It doesn't find the display driver. I had no bloody idea what the display driver is, but I show you how you can get the whole thing working. This will be really saving you many hours of thinking and smashing the whole thing up. So it's still starting up. It's still starting up, which is the boring bit, but soon we're gonna come to the fun bit, and you will not regret watching this video. Just stick with it. I mean, my computer is generally very slow. Now check this out, guys. Now you wanna open up a picture. Let me get rid of this crap, and then you want to open up a picture, yeah, and it's not letting you. So whatever, that's a JPEG, it doesn't matter what it is. You see, it doesn't let you open up the picture. It's just not happening. It just sits here and doesn't do nothing. You see? Absolutely everything is blocked. And now check this out. You go to Control, Alt, and Delete all together. Of course, with one hand I have to hold the phone, and with the other hand I have to click it, so it's a bit of a pain in the neck. But look, it's completely blocked. Everything is completely blocked, a nightmare. So Control, Alt, and Delete at the same time, yeah? And it should open up the task manager. You go for the task manager. Again, now this slowed the computer down a lot, so I do apologize for this, but the video will be only 4 minutes, but it's gonna save you millions of hours. And look, Adobe Photoshop not responding, and here's the magic. You go down and you will see here a very high figure, something 25. Just wait, it will come in a minute. Here we go. 26.7 CPU, and this sniffer CPU exe. And you go there, right click on the mouse, and task, close this window, and all of a sudden the JPEG just appeared. And if I want to open up another one, anyone, it just will come up straight away. Let's another one for good measure, because I just got excited now from the desktop. Anything from the desktop. One of the pictures I took. Look at this. Now, don't ask me why. I don't care why. Took me 2 days 24 hours each day to figure it out. I researched the whole bloody thing. People told me a lot of stupid things. So basically, this is the display driver which got a bit confused, and this is the reason it doesn't work. But with the task manager, you get rid of it and it works absolutely perfectly. Now, again, you know me, guys. I'm not a professional. I'm just, you know, I'm the master of random. Don't ask me technical questions in this one, but enjoy it. Please share it. Tell all your mates and enjoy Photoshop to the limit and beyond with any problems. Off you go, guys. Enjoy.